Hey guys, what's welcome back to our techies, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix, say, if your iPhone stuck on recovery screen or boot loop screen. So here my iPhone stuck on this Apple restore screen. So today I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way to fix this kind of issues. So here it is, TunesKit iOS system recovery for Windows. So for that you can fix that and this is available for both Mac and Windows system. So here it is, this application will help you to fix more than 50 kinds of iPhone issues like DFU mode, also white logo screen, recovery mode, black screen, boot loops issues, frozen screen issues, restore failure, update failure, headphone issues. This kind of issues in this application fixed in one click. So here it is, currently it's stuck on this recovery screen. So for that, let's see how can we fix that. For that you require to simply download and install this application, which I have downloaded and installed. This is the system screen, how you will get. So in just let's see what is it, connect is asking to connect the phone. Here it is, iPhone 7 connected, and here I'm getting this exit recovery mode. So here in just one click you can fix recovery mode issues or DFU mode screen issues if it's stuck on that screen. So let's see, click, and here other like iOS repair system as well available, like white Apple logo screen, DFU mode, if it's disabled, bricked, all kind of, you can fix that in standard mode. Standard mode basically help you to fix all these kind of issues without losing the data, and in the advanced mode you can fix that, the repair iOS system. So let's see. So it's very I have already downloaded, so you can see how fast this verify the firmware packages basically. So it's a very fast mode, you can see. And here is the repair mode, you can repair that way, but make sure it will remove the data from your device. So let's see first our first screen, the exit recovery mode. If it works, then no need to do that. If this will not work, then you require to the standard mode and the advanced mode. So let's the basic mode, if it's fixed or not. Let's exit the recovery mode and let's see how does it works. So it's currently working to exit the recovery mode from my device. Okay, it's vibrator. Okay, here it is, it's gone. Okay, now you can see the recovery mode has been, I have get rid of this recovery screen. So it's just fixed in just one click. So you can see, so if you also facing this kind of issues, you can just fix that in just one click with this TunesKit iOS system recovery software. So if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.